In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your Excel file opened and converted in Google Sheets, ready to edit, share, and collaborate online. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right for the small grid icon made up of dots. That's the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open a panel with Google's apps. From the panel, choose Sheets. This opens Google Sheets in a new tab, which is where we'll do the conversion. When Sheets loads, select Blank Spreadsheet. We're starting with a blank file so we can bring your Excel data into this space cleanly. This also helps you control where the imported data lands. With the blank spreadsheet open, move to the top left and click File. In the drop-down, choose Import. Import is the feature that brings content from other files, including Excel, into Google Sheets and converts it for you. You'll see options to find your file. If the Excel file already lives in your Google Drive, you can find it under the My Drive or Shared tabs. If it's saved on your computer, you'll locate it from there. For this tutorial, we'll use the Upload option so we can bring in a file stored locally. Click the Upload tab, then click Browse. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your Excel file is saved. You can import either .xlsx or .xls files. Select the correct file and confirm your choice. A quick tip. If you have multiple versions, check the modified date or file size to make sure you're grabbing the most up-to-date one. After the file is selected, Google Sheets displays import settings. By default, the choices are set to work well for most spreadsheets, so you can leave them as they are. Now click Import Data. Sheets will upload and convert the file. This usually takes just a moment, depending on the file size and your connection. When the import finishes, your Excel data appears in the Google Sheet. Scroll through to make sure your columns, rows, and basic formatting look right. Most formulas and formatting carry over smoothly. If you used very advanced Excel-only features, you may want to glance at those areas to confirm they translated as expected. That's it. The Excel file is now in Google Sheets format, saved automatically in your Google account. You can work on it from any device and collaborate in real time. Thanks for watching, and happy converting!